Large Design Review is a capability that has been available in SOLIDWORKS for many years and allows users to open very large assemblies lightning fast, giving you the ability to quickly interrogate a model or conduct design reviews. In Large Design Review, users have access to the Feature Manager, and it provides super fast view manipulation to rapidly visualize and move around your assembly. The ability to measure distances, cut cross-sections, hide and show components, and do walkthroughs are also valuable tools to interrogate a large assembly. In SOLIDWORKS 2019, Large Design Review has been enhanced to include assembly editing capabilities. Reference geometry, like planes and axes, are accessible, as well as mates, where changes can be made to how a component is assembled. Sketches can be shown or hidden and can be referenced for adding mates or for visual clarity. If you are looking to delete a few components that may not be needed, this can now be done in the new Edit mode. New components can be added to your design just as you would in a fully resolved assembly. And these new items can be placed and mated into their proper positions. Mating is done just like you would in lightweight or resolved mode, including the use of the Quick Mate toolbar. Components that have been prepared to use magnetic mates can be assembled as well and snapped into position, saving a great deal of time when doing large facility layouts. Changing configurations is another commonly used workflow, and this capability is now available with the Large Design Review mode. If components were hidden along the way, you can use the familiar Show Hidden Components tool to restore their visibility. And when you are finished making your changes, the assembly can be saved so that the next time it is opened in resolved or lightweight mode, you can be assured that all of your work has been retained. With these enhanced capabilities in SOLIDWORKS 2019, users will be able to take advantage of the excellent performance of Large Design Review to rapidly make changes to their assemblies.